So concept of limit. Now limit in a very simple terms, we can understand it like this, that let's say if I have any function, okay, any function, I'm just drawing a random curve, and in that function, I have a point. So very important thing, limit is always analyzed at a point. Okay, you should be clear with that. So let's say this point is x is equal to a. Now, if I'm approaching this function from left hand side, I will be reaching to this point. Similarly, if I approach it from the right hand side, I'll be reaching to the same point. Okay, so when I'm approaching a function from left hand side, that is written in this form, limit of x tends to a minus. What is the meaning of a minus? Means you are approaching a from the left hand side. Minus is just an indicative. Okay, so you are approaching a function at x is equal to a from the left, and it is giving you a certain value. That value is actually equal to value of this function. Okay, so this value, let's say it is some a comma fa. When I put x is equal to a and y is equal to fx, we can call it as a comma fa. So I can say that it is giving me a value which is fa. Similarly, if I'm approaching the same function from right hand side across that point from right, then I can still see that I am getting a only, f of a only. Okay, so over here, when left hand side and right hand side have same answers, have same values, then we can say that limit is defined for a function. Limit, continuity and differentiability will go step by step, but the first thing is that when LHL is equal to RHL, then only we say limit is defined.